How to place order on Shein. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your Shein app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Shein account. You will land to the home page. Now scroll down. Over here you're gonna find different items. Select the item that you wanna purchase. Here I'm gonna select this one. Just open it. After you select the item that you want to purchase, at the bottom you will find the option of Add to Cart. You have to tap on it. Now you have to select the details about the item. You can select the size and color. After you select it, tap on the option Add to Cart again. Now at the top right, you will find this cart icon. Tap on it. Now over here you will find the item that you have chosen for the purchase. Now you can tap on this option of checkout given at the very bottom. Tap on it. From here, you have to select your shipping method, likewise your shipping address. After you do that, you have to select the payment method. If you have any voucher, you can tap on this option of Apply Voucher. Likewise, if you have any gift card, you can tap on this option of Gift Card and apply it as well. Over here, you can see the shipping fee as well as shipping guarantee. After you check all these details, you can scroll all the way down. Now tap on this option of Place Order. Now over here, you will need to type in your card number, expiry date and CVV. You can just type in that. If you want to save the card info, you can toggle on for this option. Remember this card for future use. Likewise, you can head towards this option of billing address again and check your billing address. After you check all the details, you can tap on this option of Place Order. With that, your order will be placed. So this is how you can easily place order on Shein. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.